Want to get your wings this crispy in the air fryer? Let me show you how. Okay, so we're going to start off by seasoning our chicken with some salt and black pepper. Next, we're going to use some garlic powder as well as some onion powder. I'll make sure that I put the full measurements in the description below. Also going to use some cayenne pepper. Now you could also use some paprika at this point if you want, maybe even some adobo. Alright, next we're going to just use some vegetable oil. I like to use vegetable oil just because it really does help the chicken and the cornstarch really stick together. Alright, now we're going to just go ahead and sprinkle on our cornstarch. Not a whole lot, but just enough to coat all the chicken. Alright, mix that up nicely. As you can see, everything starts to combine very well. It becomes almost a little pasty, but that's good. That's exactly what we want. That's going to turn into our nice crispy crust later on. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe off our workspace. Let's start off with a pan. When I fry chicken in the air fryer, I like to use aluminum foil under it with a little bit of oil just because it kind of helps. I don't know. It's just some dumb stuff I do, and it really does work. It tends to make everything I do air frying wise work very well. And I also have one of these little racks that I put on when I air fry. You guys will see why I use this little setup, because I really have like a convection of an air fryer situation going on. But just go ahead and line up your chicken wings, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in our oven. Now, first and foremost, again, I have a Hamilton Beach convection oven, which has a convection setting, which, if you guys didn't know, air frying is just convection cooking. We're gonna go ahead and start off with 375 degrees and just turn that on. I like to just put my chicken on there. Now, my process involves a lot of rotating, and it's just rotating the entire time, probably about every 10 minutes. And you just keep rotating. rotate, and that's what I'm doing here. And again, I've done this about every 10 minutes or so, and after a while, this is what you get. Damn.